In this video, we're going to focus on the show tooltip in the Chartjs Dragdata Plugin in Chart.js. So basically what we're going to do here is, you can see here we have this tooltip here, and if we scroll down here, drag it down, you can see the tooltip immediately follows along. So the plugin itself has a special feature where you can basically disable this follow along effect, although in my personal opinion it doesn't look that nice. So let's start to do that one, and then after we'll show you just how to truly remove the tooltip at all. So let's scroll down here, and if we go here to the drag data object, then what I want to do here is I want to say the following. I'm going to say a show tooltip, and then by default it is set on true. So if I just set it on true as well, save, refresh, nothing happens. Of course, you can see here it just shows it as well. If I set it on false, what really happens, let's go back here. If I scroll down, look what happens. The tooltip itself is not moving really along with it. And this, to be honest, it's not really that professional looking or very nice looking. So what we can do is, if you want to truly disable the tooltip, I'm going to recommend you the following. In the plugins, when putting enter, I'm going to say tooltip, put a comma here, and then I'm going to say enabled, and we just say here false. By default it is always set on true. So if I save this now, refresh, now you can see here as we drop or drag it at all, the tooltip doesn't show. So that is probably a more better way to disable the tooltip at all.